Welcome all of you. Today's topic is chlorophyll. So chlorophylls are major light harvesting pigments present in green plants, algae and photosynthetic bacteria. They are magnesium complex derived from porphyrin structure. Now what is porphyrin? So porphyrin is fully unsaturated macrocyclic structure which contains four rings which are linked by single bridges made up of carbons. These rings are numbered 1 to 4 or A to D. These pyrrole carbon atoms which are present on the periphery of porphyrin structure are numbered 1 to 8. So the carbon atoms of the bridging carbons are designated as alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Here is a detailed structure of chlorophyll containing magnesium as centrally located atom and containing 4 pyrrole ring. So when porphyrins are substituted, they are named as porphyrins. Forbin is considered to be the nucleus of chlorophyll and is formed by the addition of fifth isocyclic ring to the porphyrin structure. A porphyrin is any macrocyclic tetrapyrrole pigment in which the pyrrole rings are joined by methane bridges and the system of double bonds formed a close conjugated loop. Therefore, chlorophylls are classified as porphyrins. So here you can see the difference between porphyrin and forbin structure. Several chlorophylls are found in nature. Their structure is different and the substitution around the forbin nucleus is different. So chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B are found in green plants in the ratio of 3:1 and they differ in at the C3 position in the porphyrin structure. Chlorophyll contains methyl group while chlorophyll B contains formyl group. Both chlorophylls have a vinyl and ethyl group at C2 and C4 position respectively and a carboxymethyl group at C10 position of isocyclic ring. It contains a phytol group esterified to a propionated at C7 position. What is phytol chain? It is made up of 20 carbon monosaturated isopyrenol alcohol. Chlorophyll C is found in association with marine algae, dinoflagellates and diatoms. Chlorophyll D is minor constituent which is found in red algae. Bacteriophils and chlorobiome chlorophylls are principal chlorophyll found in purple synthetic bacteria and green sulfur bacteria respectively. So here you can see the structure of chlorophyll. Centrally present is magnesium atom. Chlorophyll A contains methyl group at C3 position and formyl group at C3 position in chlorophyll B. It contains carboxymethyl group at C7 position, C10 position and a phytol chain which is at C7 position. Let's see the nomenclature of chlorophyll derivatives. So first is phyllenes. Chlorophyll derivatives which contains magnesium are categorized as phyllenes. Then the magnesium free derivative of chlorophyll are known as pheophytene. Nextly, the products containing C7-propionic acid which results from the enzymatic or chemical hydrolysis of phytyl ester are termed as chlorophyllidins. The products containing C7-propionic acid resulting with the removal of magnesium atom on hydrolysis are termed as pheophorbides. Next is methyl or ethyl pheophorbides. It corresponds to 7-propionate methyl or ethyl esters. Then is pyro compounds. They are the derivatives in which the C10 carbomethoxy group has been replaced by hydrogen. Then mesocompounds, derivatives in which vinyl group has been reduced to ethyl. Chlorines E, that is derivative of pheophorbyde resulting from cleavage of isocyclic ring, and rhodines G, that is the derivative from pheophorbyde. Let's see some physical characteristic of chlorophyll. So chlorophylls are located in the lamellae of intercellular organelles of green plants, which are known as chloroplast. They are associated with carotenoids, lipids, lipoproteins, and they have weak linkages existing between these molecules. The bonds are easily broken, hence chlorophyll can be easily extracted by macerating the plant tissue in organic solvent. Polar solvents can be used such as acetone, methanol, ethanol, etc. for effective and complete extraction of chlorophylls. Non-polar solvents such as hexane or petroleum are less effective. HPLC can be used for separating chlorophyll from their derivatives. Nextly, chlorophyll can be identified, or it can be identification can be done using spectrophotometer, and the wavelength of maximum absorption for chlorophyll A and B dissolved in ethyl ether are 660.5 and 642 nanometer. So this was all about chlorophyll pigment. In next video we will see about the reactions and alteration related to the chlorophyll pigment. Thank you.